Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start a vlog series because I am moving homes and it was the most chaotic week of my life because in the mid of taking care of my mom who just had her surgery, I had to move homes, and here I am packing the most stressful thing in my life, my makeup collection. I have a huge makeup collection and it's always been one of my biggest dreams to have my vanity where I could put all my makeup, and at the moment it was all cluttered all around the room, so I could finally get some space where I could build my vanity and storage. So look at all the makeup that I have to pack away, and I was honestly very scared that anything's going to get damaged. Obviously I'm going to try to also declutter the products that I don't use. I'm sure there's a lot of product that has already expired, but I have attachment issues, guys. It's very difficult for me to get rid of my makeup. I just don't know why. Don't ask me. I guess because each girl has its own taste in things. I don't really like clothes or accessories. Mostly it is makeup that I spend most of my money on. Actually saw those out yet. My daughter is already helping me unbox the product before even moving in. So this is the Ninja chopper. One thing I hate the most is having to chop onions. This week is going to be mainly based on getting the necessary furniture, so the bed and my wardrobe. I'm going to try to keep everything very minimal. We're going to be taking all of these stuff today as well. My house is going to become packed, I feel like it, and then we're going to go back and then have to organize everything. But right now we're just dumping everything. This is literally what I'm scared of right now because this is my wardrobe situation. I'm just going to pack all my hijabs that are on the right hand side. I've got so much more in my other cupboards and drawers. It's a complete mess, so I was actually trying to put off doing this right now, but I'm just going to slowly get the job done, otherwise it's never going to get done. So these are just like my modal hijabs, and my other drawer has my other materials. Modal hijab needs a little bit more TLC, so I'm going to put it into this sort of storage bag, and the rest I could just dump in a dustbin bag. I'm doing a DIY project. I want the table to be a bit more fine, so I've just removed the color and I'm going to use another stain. And this is actually my first time doing any sort of DIY project, so wish me luck. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. My table wood project is looking good. We're going to be taking all of this stuff today into our house. Moving in takes a lot of cleaning and a lot of organizing. The aim is to move in by next week, so we're trying to get all the necessary stuff that we're going to need. We just got all of these stuff right now in the house, and we bought the washing machine to the property and it's not fitting. It's actually damaging the lining that's in the kitchen. Moving out is such a hassle because I have this drawer full of random makeup bits I need to declutter. I'm not sure if I'm going to take everything, and now my room is a complete mess. I'm going to try to fit everything into this box. I always wanted a nice vanity, so that is my goal. It's going to be one of my first things I'm going to buy for my house. Probably tomorrow I'm going to go to IKEA and look for a vanity that will fit all my makeup, which is going to be a difficult task. Shopping for the kitchen and the house is not for the week because I just end up wanting to buy everything that looks pretty and aesthetic. This week we've been depending a lot on fast food because the whole routine's gone out of play. Having to run around back and forth and going to different places. But honestly, it's fun, and IKEA is one of my favorite places to go. It just feels like you're going on an adventure there. I get lost every single time I go into IKEA, and this is the first time we went to the IKEA store in Oxford Street, which has opened new. And IKEA is honestly a trap. You go there for one thing and you end up buying baskets full of things that you probably don't even need. This was fun to do. You could design your own IKEA wardrobe. I'm not wanting to spend too much money on a wardrobe right now, but I did end up going to Marks and Spencer's to buy some dining sets, and this was so worth the money. Moving in is definitely not easy. You're having to chase the landlords to fix things. On top of everything, you're also trying to register to service providers. In the beginning it was getting overwhelming because I did have to literally move all the stuff that I collected over my whole entire life into my new property, but then throughout the week it was getting a little bit easier. We went to a few stores that people recommended to look for a sofa, but it was so difficult. None of them had a lot of options on display. Most of them were on catalogs. I also wanted to order my bed frame and try out the mattress. I was going to actually order everything online, but then I decided that I wanted to try out the mattress to see if it's firm enough and I would feel comfortable. I did end up spending a little bit more money than I wanted to for the bed, but it is worth it. It is your comfort at the end of the day. I was scared that I would order it online and it would just take a long time to arrive. They had the same ottoman bed storage option that I wanted because I have a lot of stuff and I need enough storage for everything. And I love the fact that you can customize it to whichever color suits you. And the bed was literally going to arrive the next day, which is definitely a plus because I want to get everything sorted as soon as possible. I had to go into August to pick up my kettle because I love drinking tea and I've been going to property so many times, but I haven't been able to have a cup of tea or offer anyone anything. I nearly got distracted by the makeup. You definitely know that I don't need any more makeup, but these are the new products that came out recently. Getting the washing machine to fit into the space has been a struggle. We couldn't get it to completely fit. It was obstructing one of the drawers. Lula, whatever we like, just buy it, it's fine. So these are just a few things I got for IKEA Maxx from my home. My sister got these sunflowers, but I don't have a vase, so I'm using my initiative and using an empty bottle. These are beautiful. I love sunflowers. I bought this little stand for my kitchen decor. I don't know why every time I go to IKEA Maxx I just feel like getting kitchen decor. And I also got this salt and pepper shaker. How cute is this? The bed has arrived, which is quite quick delivery. We just ordered it yesterday, so that's great. It is an ottoman bed, so hopefully we have enough storage to just dump things underneath the bed. I popped to my local grocery store and I picked up this snack and some drinks for the people who are fixing the bed because I have nothing to offer them at the moment. There's nothing in their house. The bed is now complete. My husband just putting the mattress protector on. Ideally, I would have liked my bed frame to be even lighter in color, but my daughter gets my makeup on everywhere in my bed already, so having a lighter color is already a risk. We came to Westfield today because I really wanted to buy some good quality knives from ProCook, but guess what? I forgot to get my ID and they weren't letting me get the knives, so I started looking around in John Lewis and ended up picking a few bits. I'm impatient. I really want to pick up the knife set today. We managed to get the washing machine to fit in, but now there is leaks in the pipes and also the boiler is not working properly, so that's going to have to get fixed another day. We went to Green Street because I need some pots and pans, but I left that to my mom to decide what to get because let's be honest, I'm not the one that's going to be cooking. Only joking, Mom. If she's watching this, she's never going to come to my house anymore. Kita bisa. Tayo na ba namin tunantam. Ami take away ni mo korta ki. I finally feel that we do have the basic stuff that we need, and most of my belongings as well is already in the house, so we can finally move in next week, inshallah. So next week my drawer and also my vanity should be coming. I left my mum to do all the spice shopping and she's gonna have to go with me for the grocery shopping. Even though she had the surgery, I am making her do a little bit of work for me, so thank you, Mom, for helping out, and also my dad and everyone in my family who have been offering to help out. Thank you so much, I do appreciate it. I've got my daughter's little Dyson Hoover. And that's all for this week's vlog. My mama and also my fufu did come to visit us, so that was a nice visit. Let me know if you enjoy this vlog and would you like me to continue.